Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing O Come Little Children on the viola playthrough. All right, slow and fast. I'm doing this because this is an up-bow marking, and we got two of them together. Up-bow, up-bow. This is a tricky song. Let's do it, okay? If you have trouble, obviously go back to the tutorial edition that I am posting, and you can see, the little tricks and tips to try to get this to be super smooth. Okay, so here we go. But if you're well practiced, we're going to do this. Here we go. So slow. This is already a naturally slow song. It's andante, which means kind of like walking speed. But, Grandma's walk is different from Susie's walk. And, I don't know. So it's like, let's do a slow one. Let's just say I'm feeling tired. I'm going to do a slow walk today. Okay, here we go. So let's do A to A to A3. Kind of just like a real stroll, just like not, don't need to go anywhere, okay? Just kind of enjoying my time. Here we go. Ready, and... Repeat. Okay, let's try the fast playthrough. Even though it's andante, it's not going to be too fast, but it's faster. Okay, so this will be the upper end of your performance speed. So let's try it. A to A. So this is like you got a business, you got some energy, you're moving to the other side of the park, or you got places to go. Okay, so that's this andante. Okay, so 1 and 2. Okay, that's it. What do you think? I kind of like it somewhere in between those two. And yeah, definitely not faster and not slower, because it'll be too much extreme on either end. We need it to be a decent walking speed, all right? So if you're having trouble, go back to the tutorial. If not, congratulations, and I'll see you in the next song. Bye.